Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nana Kerish. Today I'm going to teach you a simple ritual that is going to make your water people to have mercy on you and give you small space to make money so that you can come and settle them. Are you a water person? Ibonye mili, okay? And you know that your element is water and you are from the water and your water people are disturbing you. Or your traditionalists have told you that you need to roll, you need to do water work, you need to settle your spiritual husband, you need to settle your spiritual wife, and you do not have the money yet to do it. So the ritual I'm going to teach you today is going to make them to calm down a little for you and give you small space, okay, to make money. So some people might be asking, how will I know that I have a spiritual husband or spiritual wife? How will I know that I'm from water? So if you're from water, the most thing you will notice is that sometimes you'll be seeing yourself swimming in the river. Sometimes you'll be seeing yourself having sexual intercourse in the dream, and that is when you have a spiritual husband, okay? Because anyone from water has a spiritual husband. You'll be seeing yourself swimming. You also see yourself carrying a child. You see yourself having children. You know, you see yourself being pregnant in the dream. Relationship problem. You will have so many issues, especially in marital aspects. Even your finance will collapse, everywhere will block when your water people start disturbing you for settlement. So the remedy I'm going to teach you today is going to help them to have mercy on you, make their mind to calm down for you, and give you small chance to work and make money to come and settle them. And when you do this and your road open and you start making money, make sure you go and look for a good traditionalist to do your water work for you so that you will be free from further torment. Okay, so if today is your first time of coming across this YouTube channel, do well to hit the subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, also turn on notification bell so that you will be the first person to know anytime I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. So I want you to know that if they tell you that you're from water does not mean a bad thing. If anybody tell you na born 1 milli or you're a child of the water, it does not mean a bad thing. 1 milli simply means someone, it's where you reconnected from. That is where you come back to life from, okay? It doesn't mean a bad thing. And your spiritual husband simply means the husband you had when you were still a spirit. You know, spirits have husbands, and you as a human, you're a spirit, okay? You're a spirit. You just came to this world on a journey, and you will still go back. So that spirit that you were married to in your spiritual realm when you were not yet into this world is the spiritual husband. Some people have children in the river, some people have siblings in the river, okay? They are not evil, they are just there, okay? Because that is where you come from. And when you were coming to this world, you likely made a promise to them, yes, that you're going to come and be visiting them, come and be singing for them, come and give them you know, things of the world, show them, give them some things to make them to know that you have not forgotten them. Because those things you're taking to the river, they are not eating it. You are just making them to know that you have not forgotten them. Oh, my sibling, oh, my husband, see what this earth I came. This is what they eat. This is sweet things. Oh yeah, this sweet things. Use it to make my own life sweet as a human being. Oh yeah, this, whatever you give them is what they return to you. If you give them sweet things, say, oh, okay, you want a sweet things. Okay, what are sweet things? Money are sweet things. Good life are sweet things. Attractiveness are sweet things, and they will use those things to bless you in return. Okay, so in this ritual, what you'll be needing is you have to get Fanta. Okay, the water spirit like Fanta a lot because it's so beautiful. And it's so colorful and it's so sweet. They represent sweetness, they represent beauty, they represent wealth, they represent treasures. So you have to go before them with something beautiful and colorful. You don't have to go before them with black coke or even black clothes, okay? You have to go either with white or something beautiful, okay? So you get Fanta. when you get this Fanta, if you're in Nigeria, you know what is Fanta. If you're not from Nigeria, just get a drink that is this yellow. See, what I'm teaching right now is Nigeria tradition for, but I don't know if this work for non-Nigerians, but for anyone who is a Nigerian, especially the Igbos, okay, this is for you. Even I know it will work for Yorubas, as long as you're in Nigeria and Hausas, whichever region you are from, it will work for you. So get a Fanta. When you get a Fanta, you get a tumbler. This one is not a tumbler, this one is bigger. If you don't see a tumbler, no problem, just get a cup. When you get your cup, you open your Fanta. When you open your Fanta, you pour some into your tumbler. When you pour some into your tumbler, you will speak. You will call them mommy from the river. If you are Igbo, you say it in Igbo. Nnem milim, ndim mili, mommy from the river. Water people, that you are calling them this hour. That you are here because you acknowledge that you know them. You acknowledge that they are related to you, that you are no longer binding and casting them, but rather what you want now is peace. That you realize that this is where you came from and it's your element. That you want to plead with them, that you came with something sweet. You came with sweet something. That let your life be as sweet as this. That you have come to them to speak good words on your head with this sweet drink. That you want your life to be as sweet as this. That you do not want the disturbance. That let them leave you small so that you can be able to make money and come and settle them fully. You tell them if they did not leave you, you will just be languishing. You will not have money to come and settle. That they should please give you small space to come and settle them so that you can make money and come and settle them. That they should please, that you've begged them, that they should please, they should do it for you. Okay? When you finish saying all these your intentions, you drop some on the ground. Okay? You drop some on the ground. When you drop the some on the ground, you drink the remaining one. The reason why you'll be drinking the remaining one in your tumbler is because you cannot give spirit what you don't eat. You can't give spirit cola when you know you will not eat that cola. You must eat it with them. Okay? So you drop some on the ground, you drink the remaining one because they are your people. Habundo to give you Igbo, you understand. Okay? You drop the remaining one. And you go, and they will give you peace, they will give you harmony, they will give you space. I want you to know when you are doing this, you have to have faith, you have to have belief, you have to have trust that these are going to work for you, and they will definitely work for you. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first person to know anytime I upload a new ritual. Thank you for watching and do have a lovely day.